Hey everyone, welcome back to Nursing Education. Hope you all are fine. In this video, we will learn about how to administer medication to the patient and what is the 10 rights of medication. Let's start today's video. Firstly, what is administration of medication? Administration of medication is a basic nursing function that involves knowledge and skill. The safe and accurate administration of medication is one of the most important responsibility of a nurse. Improper administration of medication can cause harmful effects. Next, basic knowledge regarding drugs. Name of the drug, route and time of administration, dosage, types and forms of drugs, sources of information about medication, medication order, principles of drug action, storage of medication, client's rights, and nurse's role in administration of medication. Next, rights of medication administration. There are 10 rights of medication administration. The first right is right patient, second right medication, third right dose, fourth right route, fifth right time, sixth right to client education, seventh right to refuse, eighth right assessment, ninth right documentation, and 10th right evaluation. First, right patient. Ask the name of the client. Use two identifiers like shift nurse or nursing in charge. Check the name on the order. Check his and her ID band which is given by the hospital. Second, right medication. Check physician's order. Check the medication label. Check the name and form of drug. Be aware of look alike and sound alike medications name. For example, dobutamine and dopamine. Third, right dose. Read the physician's order to know the correct dose. Be aware between an adult and a pediatric dose. Know the abbreviation used. Calculate the fraction of dose correctly. Fourth, right route. Read the physician's order to determine the route of administration. Know the method of giving drugs. For example, orally, intravenously, intramuscularly, subcutaneously, and so on. Dilute the medicine if indicated. An error in the medication should be reported immediately to prevent further complication. Fifth, right time. Check the frequency of the ordered medication. Confirm when the last dose was given. Know the abbreviation for the time. For example, OD means once a day. BD means twice a day. TDS means 3 times a day, and so on. Give the medicines according to the action expected. For example, sleeping pills are given at bedtime. Sixth, right to client education. Provide enough knowledge to the patient of what drug he and she would be taking and what are the expected therapeutic and side effects. Seventh, right to refuse. The patient has right to refuse any medication. However, The nurse is obliged to explain to patients why the drug is prescribed and the consequences they refusing medication. Eighth, right assessment. Check patients actually need of medication. Check for contraindication. Some medications require specific assessment like dioxin before administration. For example, checking of vital signs, especially pulse. Check the client's history of drug allergies. Ninth, write documentation. Ensure you have signed for the medication after it has been administered. Make sure to write the time, route, date, and any remarks on the chart correctly. Documentation should be done after medication, not before. Ensure the medication is prescribed correctly with the start and end date. And last, write evaluation. Ensure the medication is working the way it should. Ensure medication are reviewed regularly. The effectiveness of medication is determined by client's response to the medication. Determine the extent of any side effects or adverse reaction as well. So guys, this is the last session of today's video. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Before going, I want to say a thought is I hear and I forget. I see and I remember. I do and I understand. Thank you.